Hey guys, we're so excited. We are on our way to the JCC Harlem for Repair the World. So we're gonna take you guys along the whole journey. Let's go.
We came all the way from California, just so excited to volunteer.
Dr. Martin Luther King was someone who always put the needs of other people before himself, and he showed us what it was like to be unified together as a people.
So we're at the JCC. There's lots of volunteers. We're here today at JCC Harlem joining Repair the World to package hot meals, food pantry items, and other essentials for low-income New Yorkers. This is all part of UJA's MLK Day of Service, which brings together New York in all its wonderful diversity in honor of Dr. King.
UJA is the world's largest local philanthropy, and today is just one sliver of what they do. They're also helping feed the hungry, respond to crises like the war in Ukraine, and they're fighting anti-Semitism.
Martin Luther King Day represents the unification of all different cultures.
What bag are you on?
Beyond 5, this is
I'm
probably
on 5.
6.
So excited, so honored to be doing this. So it's such an honor.
Yes, we are so excited to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.